Sneaky Legs back in the house. Today, we're back with Xubuntu 2004 LTS. Now, as you've been known to say, I like a bit of Xubuntu, okay? I've actually been running this for over a week now, for various reasons. All become clear in the future, but hey. And on the first boot, I went, oh my god, it's bleh. Once the updates start going, it's fine. So, is it 10 days I've been running it now? Must be something like that anyway. And it's super. Now, obviously, this is not stock, okay? I've got to look in how I want to use it and how I want it to look. So there are no icons on my desktop. I don't really need them. I do use it temporarily for temporary storage, and that's it. But apart from that, nothing else. Oh, and I've added an extra panel down here. I was going to get Docky or something, but no, that was the olden days. I'm preferring the bars at the moment. The old panels, they're great. Anyway, let's dive into it. The real bits you want to know. Runs on a not newer kernel, the last one of course. It's LTS, super duper. Does it run quick? Yes, it runs quick. It's super. I'm going to show you around some of the bits you may or may not like. Okay. First is, I'm not going to use much of this menu up here, but it's the same old skin menu, okay? Everything is here that you want to go and have a look at, okay? Everything's here. Now, not everything I use is I've installed yet, but most of it is. It will do for the time being, but I've used half a terabyte of disk already with all the stuff I've got on here, so. Now, you get the Fox as default. So if I open the Fox up, you'll see what I mean. I'll have a bit creaky. I've not opened the Fox since the first day, really. So, Fox is there, super duper. That's your default browser. I'm using Chrome. I may go and use Chromium, I don't know. Chrome does me for the time being because of a lot of stuff I have for school. It's all linked with my Google account, so it's all like that for me anyway. Okay. Secondly, the bits you won't like. So I'm not going to use the main menu here. I'm going to go to my little panel down the bottom. So, one of the things you ain't going to like, there's no software center. This is the Snap store, okay? They were going to give you snaps, preferably over anything else, okay? So if I go to, let's say, Cherry Tree, let's see what that is. Okay, it's a snap, can you see? It's a snap, okay? We'll go back. We'll go to something else that's a bit older, see if that may not have a snap. I don't know, there's something like, let's go music and audio. See what we got. It's thinking about it. Nothing's happening. There it comes. Took its time. Okay, Spotify's installed for me, but let's go to something that may not have a snap. So, or has a snap and I don't want to use it. So, QWMP. Okay, let's click on him. Okay, that is also a snap. Okay, I lied. More snaps. But there are programs in here that won't be snaps. Okay, I've got Strawberry, that is a snap. But this is the way it's going at the moment, but they're still allowing you to use other methods to install. So you can do command line, that's not a problem. Or on the other hand, just go to your menu. If I go down to System, I've got Synaptic there. No, it went back to the thing there. I wasn't supposed to do that. I'm an idiot. We'll do that again. We'll go down to System, the Synaptic Package Manager. It needs my password, of course. And you can install your software the old-fashioned way if you want to. And for some of it, you're going to want to, okay? You're just going to want to, because you won't be able to find the stuff you want. Or you may want an older version of something. So you've still got the abilities to install the old-fashioned way. Or we'll call it classic. Not old-fashioned, we'll call it classic. Sounds better to me. You can still do it that way. Or CLI. No big deal. Well, so there's not too much else to show you, really. It's just the same as XFCE, but better, okay? But better. Oh, I know what I was going to show you. Hang on a minute. Where's it gone? Is it under Office? No. Where is it? Under Internet. Okay. KDE Connect is installed by default here. So you can connect your phone to your desktop. Perfect. I've not done it yet. No, I need a new phone, but another story, isn't it? Another story. That's all I'm going to say. Steam works super fine. All the games work super fine. There's not much else to say, really. There's new themes. I can go to desktop settings. If I go to desktop settings, you can go here, look. Do your menus, your backgrounds. The same is here. You can have new themes. I can have bikes if I want to, etc, etc. There's nothing else you can't do, really. I really like it, don't get me wrong. It's super snappy fast. I got the Strawberry player instead of Clementine this time. For the simple reason Clementine went bleh. It did. The only thing with snaps is because they're self-compacted stuff, okay, everything is in the package. The first time you open it, it will always be a bit slower. But after that, it's super fine. But, okay, this is a but. Some people are not going to like that, okay? They're just not going to like it. I don't know why. They just ain't going to like it. But hey, that's the whole point of Linux, isn't it? You can have it your way, okay? Just have it your way. But yeah, on the whole, it's super fast. Does what it's meant to do. It's my workhorse distro, basically. It does everything I want it to do. When I want to have a play, that's when I can choose whatever I like and do whatever I want to do with it, okay? Oh, gimpage I got here was, there's several gimpies available, by the way. So you get 2.10 as standard here, which is super, okay? Does it out of 10. I'll tell you, I will show you this thing. Where's it gone? It's the latest version of Kden Live. Latest, yep. Everything is in here. If you've been using the older version, you're going to have to get used to working with the newer version and how it works, okay? Yeah, I know. It's a little bit different, should we say. But on the whole, I thoroughly recommend it. I like it. My choice. My desktop. My computer. Sneaky Linux out. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.